Everybody are happy in Harmitsa. Except this guy. What are you doing? He's fine.
Yeah, it's all good. He's a pussy.
Charlie, it's all your fault.
This was when you were last happy.
They're like Trotter brothers.
Leave me alone.
He lives in.
Only fools and horses.
We'll never do this again. No, never in my fucking life.
Send the video, okay?
Uh-huh.